Tim here from Gibby's Electronics Supermarket, and guys, I just want to show you this 2018 Street Glide that Roland did. Guess what he did in it? He put an 8.3-inch screen into this thing. This screen gives you GPS, it gives you CarPlay, it gives you Android Auto. It also works with the factory controls on your bike. So, simple, easy, OEM plugins. So guys, if you want your bike to sing, this is the kind of work you want us to do for you. Because not only were we putting the screen in, we put a brand new set of 6.5-inch drivers in. So while you're cruising on the highway, you're going to hear your music. That's right. You don't have to worry about turning it up too loud because this is going to be loud. This is going to work for you. So you've got built-in maps. You've got your Spotify, you've got your Deezer, you've got all these music choices. Guys, you're going to hear it wherever you go. So do me a favor, stop in and ask for Roland.